In a verdant meadow, nestled between the tall, swaying reeds, a tiny dragonfly named Dazzle danced in the sunbeams. Dazzle was known for her radiant wings and her unmatched speed, but she had a secret, a 95% kill rate. Every day, she hunted down her tiny prey, leaving very few to escape. One day, while feasting on a beetle, she found herself face to face with a wise old frog. "Dazzle," he said, "your beauty is matched only by your hunger. But what good is your success if it leaves nothing left for others?" Dazzle, taken aback, questioned her ways. She remembered the days when she had plenty to eat without having to take more than she needed. She remembered the joy she felt when she wasn't constantly fighting for survival. The next day, Dazzle decided to change. She hunted less, sharing her catch with others. She found that even though she had less, she felt more content. Her meadow became a place of harmony, where all creatures lived in balance. And so, Dazzle learned that true success is not just about personal gain, but about sharing and living in harmony with others. This lesson remained with her, and she became a symbol of balance and wisdom in her meadow. And the meadow, in return, thrived.